Hello, Growth Fam, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to boost your self-confidence. Self-confidence is that inner belief in yourself and your abilities. It's what allows you to take action, pursue your dreams, and overcome challenges. If you're struggling with self-confidence, you're not alone. Many people feel like they're not good enough or that they don't deserve to succeed. But the good news is that there are things you can do to boost your self-confidence and start living the life you want. I'm going to share 10 simple but effective ways to boost your self-confidence today. Let me know in the comment section below the one you practiced or the one you love to start with. So, if you're ready to feel more confident and empowered, let's dive in. Tip 1. Challenge negative self-talk. One of the biggest obstacles to self-confidence is negative self-talk. Those negative thoughts in your head that tell you you're not good enough, that you're going to fail, or that you don't deserve to be happy. The first step to overcoming negative self-talk is to become aware of it. Pay attention to the thoughts that are running through your head. Once you know what they are, you can start to challenge them. Ask yourself if there's any evidence to support your negative thoughts. Are they really true? Or are they just stories you're telling yourself? Start to replace your negative thoughts with positive ones. Instead of saying I'm not good enough, tell yourself I'm capable and I can do this. Tip 2. Set small goals and achieve them. Another great way to boost your self-confidence is to set small goals and achieve them. When you achieve a goal, it gives you a sense of accomplishment and reinforces your belief in yourself. Start by setting small, achievable goals that you can break down into smaller steps. For example, if your goal is to lose weight, start by setting a goal to lose 5 pounds. Then, break that down into smaller steps, such as walking for 30 minutes 3 times a week or cutting out sugary drinks. As you achieve your small goals, you'll build momentum and start to believe in your ability to achieve bigger goals. Tip 3. Focus on your strengths. Everyone has strengths and weaknesses. But instead of dwelling on your weaknesses, focus on your strengths. What are you good at? What do people compliment you on? When you focus on your strengths, it helps you feel more confident and capable. It also helps you to see yourself in a more positive light. Tip 4. Take care of yourself. Taking care of your physical and mental health is essential for self-confidence. When you feel good about yourself, it shows. Ensure you're eating healthy foods, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. Also, take some time for yourself each day to relax. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you spend time with can greatly impact your self-confidence. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in you and encourage you to be your best. Limit your time with negative people who bring you down. Tip 6. Celebrate your successes. When you achieve something, take some time to celebrate your success. This will help you to reinforce your belief in yourself and motivate you to keep going. Tip 7. Practice self-compassion. Self-compassion is the ability to be kind and understanding to yourself, especially when you make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. But when you beat yourself up over them, it only makes your self-confidence worse. Instead, practice self-compassion. Forgive yourself for your mistakes and learn from them. Tip 8. Get out of your comfort zone. Stepping outside of your comfort zone can be a great way to boost your self-confidence. It forces you to face your fears and overcome challenges. Start small by trying something new that you're a little bit afraid of. It could be anything from taking a public speaking class to trying a new hobby. Tip 9. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you to boost your self-confidence. Take some time each day to visualize yourself achieving your goals. Imagine what it would feel like to achieve your dreams. Tip 10. Don't give up. Building self-confidence takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep practicing these tips and eventually, you'll see a difference. That concludes our video on 10 ways to boost your self-confidence today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to implement them in your life. Remember, self-confidence is something you can cultivate with practice. So, start incorporating these techniques today, and watch your confidence soar. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and share it with anyone who could benefit from a confidence boost. Until next time, stay confident and keep believing in yourself.